Good morning. So I'm here in beautiful Solana Beach, California, and we're here as part of a little science group working on Venus exploration. This is actually the first time I've won a proposal from NASA to go and do some science, and we were running simulations of Venus and looking at cool stuff. So I wanted to talk a bit about what we've just been looking at. So Venus is kind of like a rock sitting in the solar wind. Actually, it looks kind of, thinking about it, it looks kind of like this. Here, let me show you the ground, okay? Okay, imagine this rock is Venus. I'm going to put it into the solar wind. Whoa! Look, as the water runs out, I want you to look at how the water's flowing past it. Can you see how it kind of flows and makes this neat kind of fluid kind of shape the head of it, right? Well, the solar wind, you know, imagine I'm the sun, the solar wind will be going that way. The Venus is really in a flow of particles coming from the sun called the solar wind. But unlike this beach here, the solar wind is supersonic. So just like a jet fighter going supersonically, getting a sonic boom, Venus has this sort of bow shock wave ahead of it. And so most simulations previously, all of them I think basically, have drawn a box around the planet and just sort of looked at the interaction going on here. But what we've been doing here, what Nick did, he did this really cool thing. He made his box much, much bigger. And he looked at what was happening when we gave the whole thing more room to play, and we found that particles escaping from inside the bow shock make these beautiful waves coming upstream. I hope to show them at some point. And these waves just come crashing back and smash into the unprotected planet, probably causing havoc. Well, anyway, it was all very exciting, and then having looked at those simulations of these waves, I then looked at my data. I went, oh my god! There they were, hiding in plain view all this time, and I never would have seen them or known what they were, these wiggles, if it hadn't been for these cool simulations. They were the first real simulations of this region up ahead, the foreshock. Venus just got a lot bigger, or the interaction just got a lot bigger. So lots of exciting stuff to come, I hope, in the future, and I'll try and keep you posted.